Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into the world of men's grooming with the Dovo Straight Razor in Ebony, which promises a sharp and precise shave. If you've been curious about straight razors or want to up your shaving game, this one might be right for you. Straight razors have a reputation for offering one of the closest shaves, and Dovo is a brand known for producing high-quality shaving tools. The Dovo Straight Razor comes in a 6/8 size, which is ideal for a balanced, comfortable shave. The blade itself is crafted from top-notch steel and is already shave-ready, meaning you don't have to worry about sharpening it out of the box. It's designed with a sleek ebony handle, giving it a stylish look while maintaining a sturdy ergonomic grip. Now let's talk about how this razor performs in real life. I'll be honest, straight razors aren't for the faint of heart, and they require a bit of practice to master. But once you get the hang of it, the shave is unparalleled. The blade glides smoothly across the skin, providing a very clean and close shave. My husband was the one who actually tested it out, and he noticed an immediate difference compared to a regular safety razor. The shave was noticeably smoother, and he loved how precise the razor felt. However, I do want to mention that it did take some time for him to feel confident in handling it without nicks or irritation. This is a tool for someone with a bit of experience or someone willing to invest the time to learn the technique. The razor is definitely a pleasure to use once you've got your technique down. The ebony handle feels really sturdy in the hand, providing a solid grip, which is crucial when you're working with a sharp blade like this. It's not the most forgiving razor, so be careful, but for someone who enjoys the ritual of shaving and values precision, it's a solid tool to add to the routine. The quality of the steel blade really stands out too, providing a close shave with minimal effort. When it comes to the pros and cons of this razor, let's start with the positives. The design is elegant, with that beautiful ebony handle that makes it feel luxurious. The blade is sharp and precise, giving you an extremely close shave with every pass. It's also already shave-ready, which is a huge convenience. Plus, the overall build quality is top-notch. This razor is built to last. On the flip side, it does require a bit of practice. If you're used to cartridges or safety razors, transitioning to a straight razor may take some time. It's also not the most travel-friendly option due to its size and fragility compared to disposable razors or even safety razors. And straight razors do require maintenance like honing or stropping after a while, which adds to the upkeep. As for value, this razor is priced on the higher end, but it's definitely worth it for the quality. If you're someone who appreciates the craftsmanship and enjoys the art of shaving, it's a good investment that will last for years with proper care. However, if you're new to straight razors, the initial investment and learning curve may feel a bit steep. In terms of alternatives, there are other high-quality razors out there, but Dovo's reputation for excellence in the straight razor space makes it a standout. Other brands may offer similar quality, but the design and ease of use with this particular model is something special. For a more budget-friendly alternative, you might look into some safety razors that still provide a close shave, though it won't give you the same experience as a straight razor. The build quality of the Dovo is impeccable. The materials used are high-end, from the ebony handle to the steel blade. And as far as longevity goes, this razor is meant to last you a lifetime if properly maintained. The only potential drawback would be the learning curve, which could lead to some frustration in the beginning, but once you've got it down, it's a tool you'll cherish for years. If you're considering buying this razor, it's worth mentioning that customer support for Dovo is solid. They're known for helping out if there are issues, though we didn't have to reach out ourselves. The company also has a reputation for delivering quality products, so you're in good hands. In summary, the Dovo Straight Razor in Ebony is a luxurious, high-quality tool that provides an exceptional shave for those who appreciate the art of straight razor shaving. While it may not be the most beginner-friendly option, it's perfect for someone who values precision and craftsmanship in their grooming routine. If you've used this product before, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.